Welcome to Computer Education Unlocked channel.
Today's video topic is how to solve boot failure or BCD file missing problem.
If the BCD file is missing,
The computer's operating system cannot be started at all.
but the BCD file replacement process is
A bit complicated, and reinstalling Windows requires reinstalling everything,
which is very
time consuming.
I will show in this video
That this problem can be solved through a very simple method.
so watch the video till the end without
Skipping. Let's start the video.
Windows 11 ISO download. I will open the first website. Scroll down. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Click to download. Select your product language. Click to confirm. 64-bit download. It will take some time to complete the download. This is the Windows 11 downloaded ISO file. Then you need to download Rufus. Download. Double-click Rufus to open it. Click on Select option. Select the ISO file and open it. Click on Start. OK. The ISO file will be copied to the pen drive and become bootable. Press F12 for boot menu. Select pen drive. Press Enter.
Choose your language,
Time and currency format. Next, Shift F10 top open command prompt. Type
diskpart command.
Diskpart is a command line tool in Microsoft Windows that allows users to manage and configure disk partitions on a computer hard drive. Type list disk command. This command can show attached hard disks. Type select disk 0.
Disk 0 is the hard disk on which Windows 11 is installed.
Type list volume command. List volume for show all hard drive partitions. Volume 2. 100 megabytes partition contains this BCD file, but in this case no drive letter
Is assigned to the partition.
Type select volume 2. This command for select volume 2. So I will assign a drive letter to this volume. Type assign letter equals R. Press enter. Volume 2 has been assigned the drive letter R. Type exit. This command to exit disk part. Type BCD boot C:
/Windows
/S/R:/FUAFI. Press enter. This command will restore the BCD file back to volume 2. After that BCD file successfully created,
Close command prompt. Restart computer.
if there is any problem while fixing any BCD, please comment. Comment how you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, please comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.